In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable or disable PDF Viewer in Google Chrome vertical bar. Step-by-step tutorial. To begin, open Google Chrome on your device. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three vertical dots. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you can access several browser options and settings. From that drop-down menu, click Settings. On the left-hand sidebar, click Privacy and Security. Next, scroll all the way down until you find Additional Content Settings. Click to expand it. Once Additional Content Settings is open, click PDF Documents. Now choose your default behavior. You will see the option that lets Chrome either open PDFs inside the browser or download them instead. Select the setting that matches what you want. If you want Chrome to act as a built-in PDF viewer, choose the option to open PDFs in Chrome. If you would rather save the file first and open it outside the browser, choose the download option. That covers everything you need to know.